Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see how to make two versions of this simple and elegant congratulations card. This card requires minimal supplies. All you'll need is some paper for the base of your card, a pencil, a pen, and then some rhinestones if you wish to make the sparkly version. Start by drawing out the word congrats in pencil. I started by using a ruler and drawing out a straight line to write the word on to make sure that I had it straight and also to get the placement right. Once you're happy with the placement, use your pen to trace over everything. Here I'm using the Faber-Castell pen in size S, which is a really nice thin black pen. And once you finish that, version 1, the simple version, is complete. You can leave the card just like this for, again, a very minimalistic, simple, and elegant congratulatory card. Or if you want to add a little bit of extra sparkle, take a few rhinestones and add them to the card here. I find that adding rhinestones is a really easy way to customize a simple card. And once you have those glued on, version 2 of the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create two versions of a simple congratulatory card. Thanks for watching.